What is going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video on this channel. Now I do have to apologize. I'm going to be talking a little bit quiet. My family members are asleep. It is 9:04 a.m. and I'm super excited to be making this video because I've reached a payout. Yes, you heard that correct. I think in the last video I was hoping to make a video just like this for you guys for a payout. I managed to reach that payout. As you can see, all my objectives have been met on this futures firm. I have 5 winning days. I haven't exceeded $1,000 daily loss limit. I followed the scaling plan, which I can now trade 3 contracts, but before it was 2 contracts only, and I did not hit the overall max loss. My current account is sitting at $1,700, which is a lot of money. This is actually going to be my biggest payout to date. My last payout was around $700 Canadian in my currency, around 500 USD. This is actually going to be $850 USD, so around $1,100 Canadian money, which is just mind-blowing. I mean, I just checked my paycheck, or my upcoming paycheck, and it's going to be around that similar amount for working 70 hours within 2 weeks, I think. So around like 40 hours for 2 weeks. So let's get started. I'm gonna take you guys through the process here. Just have to head to account and then go payout request. Now you have an option to pay out with Wise or pay out with bank transfer. And so I created a Wise account to be able to do that. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Alright guys, sorry about that little interruption. So let's just continue here. Like I said, they offer bank transfer and Wise, and I created a Wise account to get that 1-day payout. And it still does take a while to create your Wise account to get verified, but mine is all good. So we're going to continue to pay out with Wise. I'm going to probably be blurring out some of this information, but my Wise account email. And then my current balance is sitting at $1,700, so I'm going to take out $850. Now the reason why I'm taking out 50% right now is just because I've kind of been doing well, and you know what, in the markets it's very random, so I don't want to kind of give back this $850 that I worked so hard to earn. And so my other option I was thinking was just to leave the 1,700 and keep growing it, but because of the uncertainty, I don't know if I might be going into a losing streak, and so I want to secure that 850 for myself, because I don't know if I'll be going into some sort of losing streak next week or not. And there'll still be 850 left in the balance, which I'll just be a lot careful on when trading, because now my overall loss limit is set at $0, so I cannot go back to break even on the account. So I cannot hit 50k, because if I do, I lose the account. So still, 850 is a lot of money when it comes to the futures market. You just have to, you know, take it very slow. Like for example, I'll just be risking $100 to make 200 bucks or so. But yeah, I'm gonna secure this money I've worked so hard to get, so I'm gonna take my money. So my dashboard has 5 winning trades of $200 more. The payout does not exceed the 50% rule. Yep, it doesn't, because if you do 1,700 divided by 2, it's 850. It's technically a bit more because it's 1,702, but I'm gonna be safe and say 850. I've already uploaded my W8 non-US resident form. I understand going forward my account gonna go below 0, and I understand that. Target currency, I'm gonna do USD probably. I don't know if I can do Canadian. I don't want to do 8. Yeah, I'm gonna do USD and then just convert it from Wise to Canadian. And we're just gonna hit submit. Your payout request was successfully submitted and confirmation will be sent to you, which I just got. Please expect your payout in 1 to 3 business days. And that's basically it. I'll bring you guys back when the payout hits my Wise account. But yeah, pretty excited. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. What is going on, everybody, and welcome to the next clip of the video. I know in the last clip I mentioned that I'll start recording once I get my payout. So as soon as I requested that payout, I think it took about a day or so, and I got my money to my Wise account. As we can see, $850 paid from Topstep Trader LLC. I converted that USD into Canadian balance, I mean CAD, and then from CAD I withdrew it to myself. It did end up taking a fee, but you know what, I'm like totally fine with it. Now I know it shows 11, you know, I took out 1180. It's because I had to deposit 30 bucks into this account for them to verify me, so I kind of withdrew everything from this account. But yeah, it's right there, $850 converted to CAD and then sent to my bank account. Like I said in that previous clip, this is one of my biggest payouts to date. Hopefully it just gets bigger from there. And I kind of want to answer a question that I guess a lot of people would want to know about is, how does it feel to receive a payout? I mean, I think there's like a difference between receiving like a small payout versus a big payout. I think if I would have received like say $10,000 plus or even $5,000 plus, I'd probably be a little bit more happy. But like, I kind of worked hard to kind of get this payout in a sense. I think we all have this idea around receiving a payout, and it's not what you expect. It's like we put this sort of like payout as like on a pedestal where we're like, once I receive a payout, then I'll be a consistently profitable trader. Then I can call myself a trader. But then like once you get that payout, like I still want to work hard, you know, to receive another payout. It's like, I guess in a sense, it's kind of, you know, douchey way of saying it, but like I'm not satisfied, you know, like I don't think there will ever be a moment in my trading career that I'll ever be satisfied. I think even top, you know, traders can say that as well. You probably have this idea of having like this sort of feeling when you get a payout. I don't know. I just kind of, it's like working, the best way I can describe it is like working like a 40-hour week and then getting your paycheck. It's like, yeah, I put in some hours and I got some money in return. And like, I'm pretty happy. I'm not going to lie to you. I was in the car. I'm like, you know what? God blessed me a lot for this payout. So yeah, I'm pretty happy that I received this payout. I know I might sound a little ungrateful about it, but I'm not. I'm like super grateful, super blessed, and super thankful to God himself to be able to give me this payout. But I want to continue to improve my trading skills. I want to continue to, you know, increase my capital, and I want to continue to provide you guys value so that you can also experience what I'm experiencing myself. And this is my first time ever receiving a payout on a futures firm. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. I guess that's like the end of the video. There's nothing else to say, but I will see you in the next video I make. Take care, guys. Goodbye.